Alright guys, so based on popular demand, I came with this particular platform called OPD. It's a survey platform which many of us have requested I make video on. Now this is the video I am making, so all I need is your attention. But before we proceed with this video, for those of you coming to this channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online platforms and earn for ourselves. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification because you're going to be getting value from this video. I hope you've done that. Thanks for that. Now before we proceed, this is what we need to do before we go into any survey platform. When you come over to your account right here, now this is the browser I'm going to use, the Brave browser. Now before I go into it, I do clear my cache and all necessary things that I need to clear. So once you hold your browser like this, you're going to be seeing this information icon. So once you click on that, it's going to direct you to where you can actually clear your data and clear cache. You can see them right here. So I have done that, so you can go ahead to do that before you go ahead to sign up on your account. Now the next thing you want to do is to go over to your setting. Now when you go over to your setting, you need to locate your VPN or your proxy. Now you can either get that on this particular interface where you see the VPN. Click on that. Now you're going to be seeing several VPNs that are installed on your device, so click on it. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure always turn on VPN is on and block connection without VPN is also turned on, because once this block connection without VPN is turned off, once your VPN shakes or disconnects, your IP is going to be visible and your account is going to get banned. So this is one thing you should always do: turn on VPN always and block connection without VPN. Now with that being said, let's go back to our account. So what we are going to do right now is to come over to the Brave browser. Just like I said, you need to clear your browser cache and others. So we are going to click on OPD. Now OPD right here, we are going to be making a review together if this actually worth your time or not, and I'm going to be making proper review of how this platform works and what you should expect on this account. So right here, this is the OPD platform. As you can see right here, share your opinion and win. So right here, we are going to be setting up an account for ourselves, but I'm still going to be making review of this platform. Now this is how it works. When you come down right here and click on how it works, you're going to be seeing right here, sign up in 1 minute, take surveys, earn money. Now this is what it says: take surveys every day until you have enough points to collect your reward. There are dozens of different gift cards and you can even collect Amazon paper or gift cards. Now the one thing I love about this platform is that you don't have to do much. Verification is actually not needed on this platform. So what you can expect from this platform is numerous, because every time you come in, there are always surveys on this platform. Now when you come down right here, you're going to be seeing that you can see take surveys every day until you have enough points to collect your reward. There are dozens of different gift cards and you can even collect Amazon paper or Visa gift card. So when you come right here, you can see most rewards are unlocked from 1000 points on your account. Now when you register on this platform, you're going to be given a point. Now when you get up to 1000 points on your account, that is equivalent to $10. Imagine getting 1000 points on your account and you're getting $10 on your account, approximately 7.4 pounds on your account. So that is how this platform works. It is very easy and straightforward. Now let me show you some other things you need to know about this platform before we get to sign up for an account. Now right here it says choose your reward from dozens of brands. To get started, you just need to click on register for free. But before that, you can see that normally on this platform there are tons of ways you can cash out your earnings through gift cards, get paid and use the money with ease. So like I rightly said, when you come to this platform, when you want to register your accounts, they don't actually need much verification. As you can see right here, we only need your email address to be able to send you your gift cards when you receive money. It is sent directly to your email almost instantly. OPD is simple and secure. We only ask you for minimum information we need for you to complete surveys and collect your rewards. So right here you can see that this is very straightforward. Create an account, complete your survey and collect your reward. So right here, to create an account for yourself, once you come right here, just click on register for free. Now before you click on register for free, make sure your connections and your VPN and your proxy are intact. Now we are going to be clicking on this email right here and we're going to be adding our email address right now. So once we are done with that, we are going to be setting up an account for ourselves. Okay, so this is what we are going to be doing right now. So you can see we have inputted the email address we want to use for this, so we are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, you are asked to actually put in a password of 8 characters required. So we are going to be putting that right now. And so after inputting our password, you just need to click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you just need to hold on and you are signed in. As you can see right now, your account has been created, but you need to set in your personal information. So we are going to select gender right here. We're going to be selecting our date of birth. Like you all know, whenever I'm creating my profile on Surveys, I normally pick this particular date because that is what works for me. Okay, and I pick this particular year. You can also use that as what works for you depending on your choice. So we are going to click on next right here. You can see right here now United Kingdom, your country, and this is your time zone. So you just have to click on continue. But if you actually did not set your proxy properly with your time on your device, you're going to be having issues on this particular interface. So it is necessary your device time matches with your proxy, matches with your location that you have actually selected on your proxy or your VPN. That is why I advise you always make proper research, make proper IP analysis. I always say that in my video. Do your IP analysis before jumping into any service, because service is not something that after creating your account you get banned. That is the reason why some of us get banned and disqualified on service. Your matching time does not actually tallies with what you're doing on your service. So right here we are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to take you over to your account. As you can see, good news, your account is ready and you have 20 points. So when you create your account on OPday, you are going to be getting 20 points on your account instantly. And remember, we actually need 1,000 points to cash out $10. That's to tell you that this platform is user friendly and it's easy for you to have access to it. Now minus 20 points from 1,000, we're actually expecting 990 points left to get our cash out right on this platform. So we are going to click on continue. So click on continue right here. So this is just what you're going to be doing. So you can see I have 20 points on my account. Answer survey every day to earn rewards, access survey. So but before that, you can see right here that once you come right here, you can see the circle that is surrounding this. So once the circle comes to meet itself, it actually means that you've gotten your 1,000 points, which you can actually cash out on your account. So right here, you're going to be seeing your current balance on your account. So I have 0.15 pounds on my account. So you just have to click on access service. But before that, you can come over this hamburger icon right here to view your dashboard. That is why I said this survey does not require much verification. Just go straight to the point, take your service and cash out your earnings. So you can see right here that there are not much things you can do on your account. So let's go over to access surveys. So once you click on access survey, it's going to take you over to your account where you can actually access this particular survey. You can see 20 over 1,000 points, giving us over 0.15 pounds. So once you get over 1,000 points on your account, you can easily claim your reward. So right here, these are what you just need to do. And we are actually waiting for surveys right here. So you can see right here, these are our surveys right here. Best success, we have 17-minute surveys CPX, we have 17-minute surveys CPX that is going to give us 25 points. We have 30 minutes survey that is going to give us 22 points CPX. We have 131 points 26-minute survey that is going to give us 131 points. We have 110 points 38-minute surveys. So you can see surveys right here. So every day you come in, there are tons of surveys right on this platform. So let me just go ahead to show you this particular one and how you can leverage more on this platform. Now when you come right on your account for the first time after creating your account, and you actually see best success, so go ahead to take the first survey that says best success, even if you're disqualified. Normally, you know that when you sign up for an account on surveys, you get disqualification. As your account grows, you keep on building your account. So you don't expect to create a survey account and get perfect results. So they are actually testing you to get your attention, to make sure you know how and what you are in for. So once you create an account, it's likely you get disqualification on your first survey, your second survey and your third survey. So once you keep getting the disqualification, you're actually building yourself on that account. So let's go ahead to click on best survey, best success right here. So it's going to take us to the survey and you can see if we are qualified or not. So it says, are you currently living in the United Kingdom? So we are going to click on yes and we are going to continue. So these are just what you just need to do on your account as a first time survey. So most times it is likely you get disqualified. So what is your postal code? So I'm going to be putting my postal code right here. So right here, this is my postal code. So I just need to click on continue. So I just need to answer these questions. What is the annual gross household income? So I go for this. Which language do you speak? English. So most times you get to disqualification. That is what I'm saying. I said this, most times you get to disqualification. So most times you get disqualification. That is what I'm actually saying. This particular survey actually will want to train you for future surveys. You can say unfortunately you did not qualify this time, so you can go ahead to take any of these surveys right here just to keep on building your account. So once your account is stable right here, you're going to be having tons of surveys on your account. Now when you go back to your account, you can actually see that every day you come into this particular OPday, you're going to be having access to several surveys on your account, and you can actually withdraw once you get to 1000 points on your account. So that is how you can actually leverage OPday every single day. Their rate of disqualification is very slim, so you can access and start using this particular survey platform to earn every single day for yourself. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give you giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.